as promised, here is a word problem, and since it is in this section, of course, this will involve a two-step equation, solving a two-step equation in order to solve it. So the word problem, you are making a bulletin board to advertise community service opportunities in Fargo. You plan to use half a sheet of construction paper for each ad. You need 5 sheets of construction paper for the title banner, and you have 18 total sheets of construction paper. How many ads can you make with those 18 sheets? Well, first of all, to determine our variable, we look at what the final question is asking. How many ads can you make? So I'm going to use A because A for ads. A lot of times I like to use variables that make sense for the problem. So when I solve the equation, if I have A equals something, that tells me about the answer. A stands for ads. So if I have A equals 5, that means I can make 5 ads with that construction paper. So A is going to equal the number of ads that we can make. All right, so now, first of all, we plan on using half a sheet of construction paper for each ad. So if we make one ad, that's going to be half a sheet of construction paper. If we make 2 ads, that would be 1 sheet of construction paper. If we make 10 ads, that would be 5 sheets of construction paper. Well, we're using A ads, so the number of sheets of construction paper that we can use would be 1 half times A. Okay? So that's how much construction paper we're going to be using for the ads themselves. 1/2 times the number of ads. We're also going to be using 5 sheets for the title banner. So I'm also going to be using 5 sheets just for the banner. Okay, so if I make 10 ads, that's 5 sheets for the ads, plus 5, I'm using a total of 10 sheets. If I make 40 ads, that's 20 sheets for the ads, plus 5 for the title, that's going to be a total of 25. Okay, so we have 18 sheets of paper to use, so that is the equation. Using half for an ad, 1/2 A, plus the 5 for the title banner, and we have 18 total. So, to solve this, I will solve this equation down here. And the first step we would do is we would subtract 5 from both sides. So 1/2 of A is equal to 13. And to solve this for A, we would divide by 1/2, which is the same thing as multiplying by its reciprocal, or 2. And so the number of ads we can make is 26. So to answer that in a complete sentence, we can make 26 ads with 18 sheets of paper. And that is answering it in a complete sentence. The next video we will solve another word problem.